Hey guys, Ty here, and in this video I'm going to show you this guy. It is the Printer Plunger. This is by far the easiest way to clear a clog in your printer. Now, I've designed this specifically to be optimized for use with bamboo printers. Now, I know some of you are saying, oh, there's other products out there, and you're right, but I think this one's better, and I'll tell you why. So I had this original guy right here, and I used it for a while, and it's served its purpose, and I'm glad that I got it. It's cleared a lot of clogs for me. A few issues with it. For one, it's so long when you poke it in, it wants to bow out. It's the length, and also this metal's a little softer. I use something a little bit harder. And then secondly, when I first got it, the tip right here was wicked sharp, and it was like stab you sharp. The seller said that it matched the inside of the Hotend, you know, like the point. But if you go look at cutaways, different Hotends, some of them are really kind of shallow, some of them are really pointy inside. So it didn't really match. And I found that if I was going into like TPE or TPU soft filament, I would go in and it would stab and it would spread the filament open, not pushing it through. And then that would make it even worse and harder to push through. So I actually just filed the tip down on this a long time ago, and I found that just works way better. Because think about clearing a pipe. You just want to push this stuff through. You know, you want something flat and solid to push as much material as you can through it. And then they included this little depth gauge, which I never use this as a depth gauge, but I always wanted it to be able to like clear the filament, because sometimes you'll get some filament stuck on this when it comes out of the extruder. So I was like, why don't they just make it thicker and also a little bit tighter tolerance? Finally, the end came off. So I wanted to make something for myself that just worked better and overcame all the little shortcomings, the things I didn't like. I wanted to make it perfect for me. So I made this guy. It's shorter. It's 110 millimeters to the end, which is the perfect length to go through an extruder and the Hotend on all of the bamboo printers. I have the A1, the X series and P series printers. It works perfect on all of those. I've also used it on a couple of Enders. I have a couple Kitty Tech X Maxes, as well as some artillery Sidewinder printers, and this works on all of those. This steel is a little bit harder steel. It's like lathe or something. When you get one, you can look at it and see. So it's a lot more rigid. Being shorter, you can really push hard. See if you can get this in. You can really push hard, and it's not gonna bow out as easy as the longer, softer metal does. And then this guy, I actually print these out of PA 612 carbon fiber, so like carbon fiber reinforced nylon, and it's kind of a tight tolerance on here. So when you go through and you pull this out, there might be some filament residue on here. You can just use this and just pull it off, and then you wipe off the end, because that's where it'll end up being, and then stick this back in like yo, and it stores right there. And then I also include like a little mount right here, so you can just put it on, pull it down, and it hooks on. You can put that on the side of a printer, lift it up to pull it off. The length is perfect. You can go straight down through the extruder itself, but if you've got machines stacked, which I do, sometimes you just want to unscrew the Hotend inside, leave it plugged in so it's hot, turn it sideways and push this through. This being shorter just works way better for that. And then the shape, you can get your palm in here and really push, because sometimes these clogs are hard and you really need to apply a little force. So you can just oomph and push it through like that. So it's a more ergonomic handle design and smaller to work inside the printer, harder material, and just the right length. So let's go ahead and hop over to a printer, and I'll show you just how easy and quick this is to use. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to unload your filament. You can always just manually like clip it right here, and then it'll come out when you pull this out, but warm up your Hotend to 240, 230, 250.
Yeah, 220, 221, whatever it takes.
Take the Hotend off there. You can use the tip of this to push down your locking ring, so you can remove the PTFE tubing. So pop that out, then just set that aside. And then this is just gonna go straight in here. If it gets hung up on the extruder, just give it a little twist and it should just slide right through. This is 1.6 millimeters wide. So you've got plenty of room. It's not gonna grind your gears or anything like that. And then once you're in, you're just gonna push and plunge it through like that. Boom, there you go. And it's now cleared out your clog. And that's usually all it takes, 99% of the time. If you go to print and it's still clogged a little bit, just do it one more time. And I will also show this on an A1 next. All right, so I'll show you this on the A1, and we're gonna make this quick. Run and unload on the printer itself. Then you can use this to get in here, and you're just gonna push down on the little tab in here and kind of push up. the locking ring, so this pops off like that, super easy, and then just go in straight like that. Again, if it gets caught up on the extruder, just twist it, but it didn't here. Hold the gantry. There's no point in putting undue pressure on these stepper motors if it's locked in place, and then just push down, give it a good push, and it will go in, and bam, totally cleared out. If you're going to clean this off with the little cleaning thing, do it right away while this is still hot. If you wait until this cools off and there's filament on here that's cold, and then try to do it, it'll wear this thing out lickety split.
And lickety split.
So do it as soon as you pull it out, just whoosh, clean it off, and then put this back on, and bam, you're good to go. If you have any questions or anything, please feel free to ask in the comments below. And yeah, dude, best way to clear a clog ever.